Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Fort Lawton, or 20 miles south of Greeley, moving northeast at 10 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Platteville, Gilchrist, and Middleton Reservoir. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA All Hazards Radio. Your normal program has been suspended due to severe weather in the listening area. For full information, visit www.weather.gov/Denver or mobile.weather.gov. Stay tuned for important emergency information. The National Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Weld County in
Surprisingly, WNG550 didn't activate. But for some strange reason, my radio, my alert works, they decided to scare the out of me and do a thunderstorm.